It's firm, but it's not crunchy. It's a wonderful combination. I have a lot of volume, I have a lot of length, I have a lot of shine. The curls are very, you know, like plump, juicy. I absolutely love this combination for my hair. Hi everyone, this is Abena. I'd like to thank you for tuning in to my YouTube channel, Embrace Natural Beauty, where it has been my goal to share with you simple tips and techniques that have been so very helpful to me in my very own natural hair journey that has been nearly 12 years now, that have helped me to maintain my hair, to keep it in good condition and to retain length, which was the goal for the first 10 years of my natural hair journey. Because I want all of you who watch and who follow me to better maintain your hair, to keep it in good condition and to retain length, if that happens to be your goal, so that you enjoy your hair and embrace natural beauty of your own. Now today I'd like to share with you a couple of things. I have already introduced the ENBBA Naturals Styling Gel to you all. Since that time, I've had the pleasure of using it in various combinations. But more specifically, I shared the demonstration when I used my staple, at the time, my staple combination, which was my base gel of Curly Magic by Uncle Funky's Daughter. The next layering of gel, my second topper, actually my topper was the I.a.a. Hold. And then my final topper was my very own product, the ENBBA Naturals Styling Gel. And so in today's video, I'm sharing with you a different combination that I have actually had the pleasure of using on a variety of clients in my salon. So I've used it on different, you know, curl patterns, different lengths, different densities, different textures, and it's been a wonderful outcome for just about everybody. And so today I'm going to be sharing with you how I styled my hair using the I.a.a. Hold as a base and ENBBA Natural Styling Gel as a topper. So today happens to be day 4 of a wash and go that I used with a different combination. So just enjoy the look of it, because this is not the set. The one that the style that I had with the I.a.a. Hold and ENBBA Naturals went for a full week because that's my norm, but I didn't have the opportunity to do a recording. And so I'm here today, and I have day 4 of a different combination that I'm going to be sharing with you very soon as well. So just look forward to that. But for now, let's get into this demonstration because I want you to see how I went about styling my hair at home in the shower. And then when you get an opportunity, you'll get to see some of the tutorials I may place on the website when I styled some of my clients. I already styled one today, and I'll be sharing that one on the ENBBA Naturals website as well. So you can see how I style a different texture, and plus it's me styling, so it's different, but how you actually apply it on the hair at home, that's what you see when you see my demonstrations of my own hair. So I just want you to see the hand placement. I want you to see the application process in the shower, so you can get a sense of how you can duplicate this process at home with ease. So look forward to the demonstration, and I hope you enjoy. For this demonstration, I'm going to start immediately following a cleanse, condition, and detangling. So I've finished detangling, and now I'm just preparing to put my hair into twist, and then I will have everything done so I can rinse out the hair and apply the first layer of product application to soaking wet hair. So I'm just rinsing out the conditioner. My hair is soaking wet. My first application will be the I.a.a. Hold by Innersense. I'm using 5 pumps here from this 10-ounce bottle. Emulsifying, and I'm going to apply to that whole section. I work with 1/2 of my hair at one time, so the other half is still up and twist with conditioner on it. So I'm applying the I.a.a. Hold all the way to the top, to the root, and I'm just smoothing. You don't see me doing any raking. I'm just smoothing to make sure I've got good distribution of the I.a.a. Hold. That looks pretty good. So now I'm doing 3 more pumps. I'm going straight to the top to smooth that down. And again, I'm focused on smoothing, not doing any raking yet, just smoothing. Okay, so you can see as I start to try to rake, my fingers didn't get too far. Hydrate Hold is a very strong holding gel, especially when you use a lot. So I figured let me put some warm water to loosen it up. And I knew I was going to add a lot of water to it anyway. So now that I've added some water, you see I get more distance, I was able to bring more of my fingers through. I spent about a full minute doing that. And now I'm adding 2 more pumps. And I'm working on the inside because these are areas of my hair that tend to go in the inside, the front. Okay, it feels too tight to go through and do my twist the way I normally would. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put the ENBBA Naturals Styling Gel on top. So here's my bottle. And yes, I have a pump on it, and hopefully by this time, by the time this video uploads, you'll have pumps on I'll have pumps on all the bottles. So yeah, the pumps have been on order. So let me go ahead and use it with the pump. That's 1 pump. After emulsifying, I'm applying that 1 pump to the whole section and just smoothing it on. Remember, I'm not in a rush to do any raking right now. I just want to smooth it on and get good distribution of the gel. And my apologies, I was moving so fast, so I'm slowing this down so you can see what 1 pump looks like in my hand. 1 pump. Emulsifying. And you can also see how it looks before I apply it to my hair. That was a lot in my right hand, but that's okay. I went kind of heavy before splitting it and putting it into twists. Now the twists are just to organize myself so that when I get out of the shower, I can get dressed and then come back and do the actual styling. So this is just me organizing my hair. Did the same thing on the right side, so we don't need to see that. And now it has been a full hour since I've had my hair up in twists. I usually get dressed, may have something to eat. But yeah, full hour, my hair feels pretty much the same, and I'll explain that on camera as well. Okay, in case anyone was wondering, it feels just as moist as it did when it went in. Now, using a shampoo brush to smooth my hair during the styling is typical for me. I wouldn't even say it's absolutely necessary for anyone to use one, but when doing this combination with the Hydrate Hold as the base, I think it would be a good idea to use a tool like a brush like this one or the Felicia Leatherwood perhaps to help smooth, because I do recall some of you may have experienced tangling when trying to use too much Hydrate Hold. So if it makes it easier for you to get through and smooth your hair prior to your partings like what I've done, then I highly recommend using a shampoo brush or using the Felicia Leatherwood brush. And so I'm allowing you to see this in real time because it is the first section of styling, just so you can see how I do my partings, how I hold my hand. And if this helps someone who's trying to do this technique, I want you to see it in real time. Now, the other side, I wouldn't even show it to you because it's going to be basically the same, but unfortunately, it wasn't. A little bit more, it feels a little tight. The only difference between the first section and this section is I did have to add another pump of the ENBBA Natural Styling Gel, which is fine because the ENBBA Natural Styling Gel adds a level of slip. It doesn't change the level of hold. It's still a very nice firm hold, but giving that extra slip made it easier for the styling portion and just made my life much easier. Now, I always like to show you working in at least one side of my low porosity section of hair. And so when I did start out doing the brush, you can see it was a little hard to get through. So I immediately had to add another pump of the ENBBA Natural Styling Gel to add some more slip. It's okay. That's why I have it. This is the whole pump. And I know I went heavy when I did the initial application, so adding more was just having more slip and just easier to work with. Big difference. You see all that slip? Now here's one thing I would have changed now that I'm watching the video. I really would do better to separate the hair closer to the ends rather than at the top, which is what I'm accustomed to doing. But because I was working with the I-Create hold on my hair with so much I-Create hold, it was stiffer. And so if you're watching this at home and you're thinking about how you'd like to, do the partings, I encourage you to start at the bottom to actually separate your hair rather than the way that I did at the top. By this time, adding 1 pump per section had become standard, so just know that I added 1 pump for each section. I have a total of 6 sections on my head. The only section I didn't have to add 1 pump of the ENBBA Natural Styling Gel was the very first one I began working on, but the rest I had to get more slip. And so I am again allowing it pretty much to play in real time, just so again, if you need help working on your technique, you can watch my partings, you can watch my hand, the way I place my hand, and the way that I, again, forget about this part. When I put my finger through at the top, don't do that. I want you to go down at the bottom if you are using I-Create hold in large amounts and if your hair feels stiffer. But other than that, watch this technique. You use the brush. It is helpful for smoothing the hair, especially with the amount of I-Create hold to get through it easier. But pretty much this is what I've done throughout each section. You've got the gist, and I hope you're able to do this at home on your own. All right, so now let me talk about it. It's crunchy. It's definitely crunchy. I think I stood under the dryer for maybe 30 minutes and then I couldn't take it anymore. It was just too hot. Well, I did use the blow dryer for the ends. I was still just too hot. I think I did max 5 minutes of blow dry. And then the rest just air dried. So now it's fully dry and it's crunchy. It is a crunchy set. And it's long, it's laid, as I anticipated. Day 1 was the only day that my hair felt crunchy. My next day hair coming out of the bonnet, shaking it out, it actually felt soft. And I'm gonna let you see what my hair looked like every single day that I wore my hair using this product combination is just amazing. Day 2 hair, love, love, love. Definitely. It's firm, but it's not crunchy. It really is not crunchy. ENBBA has it feeling nice and soft. So, wow, I'm amazed. I really like this day 2 hair. First of all, this camera is not doing my hair any justice. This hair, this day 3 hair, oh my goodness. Oh my goodness! Right out of the can't even say it. That's how good it looks. Right out of the scrunchie, looks so very, very, very good. The volume that I've gotten on day 3 is amazing because I-Create hold really does lay the hair down, but when combined with just I-Create hold and the ENBBA Natural Styling Gel, it's a wonderful combination. I have a lot of volume. I have a lot of length. I have a lot of shine. It looks absolutely outstanding. So yeah, day 3 is excellent, excellent, excellent. Loving it. Day 4 is looking mighty right. The expansion has come out pretty nicely. The softness is there, the shine is there. The curls got a little bit tighter and not really much elongation, you know, lost. So that's good news for those of you who want that hang time. And it feels really great, nice and soft. This is my day 5 hair. Face is all made up because I just finished doing the broadcast on IG. Had an absolutely fabulous time. And yeah, I just wanted to share. This is what it's doing. It's definitely got more elongation. It's got shine. It's very light. It's very, very soft. The curls are very, you know, like plump, juicy. I love this combination tremendously. Today is day 8 of this wash and go using the 2 gel combination of the Hydrate Hold and the ENBBA Naturals Styling Gel. I absolutely love this combination for my hair. It gave me nice fluff. It gave me nice hang time, nice elongation. It felt absolutely soft the entire time. There was very little crunch, just nice firm hold. And definitely lots of shine. So the 2 product combination of the Hydrate Hold and the ENBBA Natural Styling Gel is a winner for me. My first time doing this combination on myself. I absolutely love it, and I will definitely do it again. I've also had the pleasure of styling a number of my clients with this combination, and they've been loving it too. So this is definitely a go-to that I would consider, especially during the high humid climate, you know, season. For right now, I think it worked out really well for this climate. The following week, I styled my hair with Curl Mix Medium Hold Flaxseed Gel and the ENBBA Natural Styling Gel, and it was a wonderful combination. So I will have that video for you very, very soon. Stay tuned for that. Well, there will be other combinations that I look forward to sharing with you. In the meantime, I encourage you to follow me on Embrace Natural Beauty with an underscore on Instagram, as well as my ENBBA Naturals Instagram page. And I invite you to follow the brand ambassadors who will also be listed in the description box below. Thank you so much for watching.